Hello and welcome back to our JavaScript course on Codecademy variables section. This is the last lesson. It is just a review over what we went through the last few lessons. Nice work. This lesson introduced you to variables, a powerful concept you will use in all your future programming endeavors. Let's review what we learned. Variables hold reusable data in a program and associate it with a name. Variables are stored in memory. The var keyword is used in pre-S6 versions of JS. Let is the preferred way to declare a variable when it can be reassigned, and const is the preferred way to declare a variable with a constant value. Variables that have not been initialized store the primitive data type undefined. Mathematical assignment operators make it easy to calculate a new value and assign it to the same variable. The plus operator is used to concatenate strings, including string values held in variables. In ES6, template literals use backticks and $ curly brackets to interpolate value into a string. The type of keyword returns the data types as a string of a value. And all these we basically went over in the previous lessons. If you guys feel comfortable moving on, then go right ahead. If not, I would suggest just going over the variables section in Codecademy's JavaScript course. Once you're done reviewing those, then I will see you in the next lesson.